Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video we are going to test out the Pound HD link cable for PlayStation. Yes people, for the people who missed out the PlayStation 2 review, don't forget to check it out after seeing this video. Yeah, it supports PlayStation 1, so it's going to upscale it to 720p, or this is what we need to believe if you read the box. We're going to test it out, we're going to check out what are we going to get. So for the people who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And let's see what's inside this box. Alright, let's do a little overview. What are we going to get within the package? It comes with a basic manual. Very nice, long quality cable, HDMI. We have in here, I already used it for the other video, micro USB. And here's the magic box of Pound. So keep in mind, this is something you need to consider. They're recommending that you're giving this thing some extra juice. But the problem is with the PlayStation 1, if you compare it to the PlayStation 2, we don't have a USB connection. So you need to use a separate power supply. Keep that one in mind. So I'm ready for it. Let's do some testing. Let's go. So for the final conclusion about the Pound cable for your PlayStation 1, it's Upscaling Rgb Signal. So that is the reason why this is possible, that you can use this conversion cable for your old PlayStation. If you compare this with the PlayStation Mini or the PlayStation Classic Mini, how you want to call the thing, this is the real deal, people. Yes, old school. Plug in your game. In my case, we have Twisted Metal, one of my favorite ones. Just enjoy your original PlayStation 1 on your HD television. And overall, when seeing this product, I was pretty hyped, and I still am. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.